Prime Minister Narendra Modi paid tribute to the bravery and humanitarian legacy of former Odisha Chief Minister Biju Patnaik while addressing the Indonesian Parliament. Recalling a defining moment in history, Modi said Biju Patnaik had courageously airlifted Indonesia's then Prime Minister and Vice President to India during the country's struggle for independence. He said the heroic mission strengthened the bond between India and Indonesia and reflected India's unwavering support for Indonesia's freedom, including raising the issue at the United Nations. In another significant development, Prime Minister Modi was conferred Indonesia's highest honor, the Bintang Adipurna Medal, the country's top civilian and military distinction. With this, Modi has now received 34 international honors. Accepting the award, the Prime Minister said the recognition reflects the goodwill of the people of Indonesia and celebrates the deep historical and cultural ties shared by the two nations. He described the occasion as a golden chapter in India-Indonesia relations. During the visit, India and Indonesia also signed several key agreements to strengthen bilateral cooperation. The pacts cover electronic voting machine manufacturing, missile procurement, battery systems for the BrahMos missile, and port development. Both countries also agreed on the supply of BrahMos missiles and other defense equipment from India to Indonesia, marking a major step forward in defense cooperation.
तो भारत संयुक्त राष्ट्र में इंडोनेशिया के स्वतंत्रता आंदोलन की मजबूत आवाज बना। आदरणीय बीजू पटनायक जी ने जो भूमिका निभाई, जिस तरह उन्होंने प्रधानमंत्री सुल्तान शहरीर और उपराष्ट्रपति मोहम्मद हट्टा को सुरक्षित भारत पहुंचाया, वो घटना दोनों ही देशों को और करीब ले आई।